Welcome and/or welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist, professional makeup artist, and lover of theatrics. Today, we are going to be playing around with Juvias Place Culture palette. I'm really excited to dip into this one. There's such a wide array of colors. I have already dipped into the purples, and I will say I'm blown away by the quality and the pigment, and even the shimmers are very nice. So I want to go for kind of a 80s color theme today, so we're gonna be testing this bad boy out. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by sculpting out my brows, and then I'm gonna lay down the primer. Yes, we want a nice snatched brow. Gonna blend that out a little bit before I lay down the really light eyeshadow base because I want the two to go together seamlessly. All right, let's do that now. So this is the Juvias Place Eye Primer. It's my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. All right. This is a great look. Let's go ahead and blend this all in. You want to work quickly with this. I am noticing that it sets pretty quickly, as an eyeshadow base should, which is a good thing, but if you leave it too long, it would be hard to blend this with the eyebrow color. So just, you want to work quickly. You could even do one eye at a time. I'm doing both. Okay, that's pretty good, but I'm gonna lay down a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with a second layer of this eyeshadow base just because I want the white to be a little bit more pigmented, and I'll see if I can do that. Okay, now the color of the eyeshadow base is a little bit more punchy. The white is more pronounced, which is exactly what I want, so that the colors I put on top of it will pop. So, sticking with my 80s theme here, I'm gonna start with a really light color as my transition. I'm gonna go in with this yellow color right here, and this is called Niara Land. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I'm just going to lay that on both eyes. Yes, it's laying down really nicely. Color payoff, and this yellow is giving what it is supposed to give. Normally it's kind of difficult to find yellows that are pigmented for deeper skin tones. I find it to be a little bit hard. So this is a win. It's beautiful, I love it. And it's not really taking very much effort. Like, I'm not having to pack it on and really build it up, which is nice. I'm gonna bring this out here just a little bit because this is kind of a, like I said, this is a dramatic 80s look, so I'm going to do a little bit more than what I would normally do. All right, let me dust this off and let's move on to the next shadow color. Next up, I'm gonna dip into this lime green color right here, and I'm gonna lay that right on the center of my lid. Now that that's laid down, I'm gonna go in with this blue color right here, and I'm gonna lay that towards the outer edge of my eye. So pigmented, and it's so beautiful. That layered on top of the other green is giving me this kind of like aquamarine color, and I love it. now I am going to take this really pretty purple color and I'm gonna lay that underneath my eye. Love, love, love. Yes. Let me go ahead and throw on some liner and some lashes. Liner and lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and do something fun. I'm gonna take this peachy kind of color right here and mix it with this kind of pinky color right here to create this dramatic blush. Look at that pigment. It's so pretty. I don't know. It just gives a whole lot more pigment than I would expect it to. I love it. Okay, now I'm just gonna take that pinky color, that really pinky color, and just lay it over top, not everywhere, just strategically, like in this area, because I don't want the whole cheek to be this bright. So I'm just gonna lay it like right there. So you get the effect, but not that much color everywhere. Unless that's what you're going for. If that's what you're going for, go for it. But for me, I don't want it to be that bright. So I'm just taking that little bit of color and I'm just laying it on strategically. And there you go, guys. This is my 80s look. I hope you guys are digging it as much as I am. I don't know why I've been feeling the 80s lately, but I was just like, you know, this is makeup. Let's have fun with it. And I'm feeling it. So 80s it is. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey with me. Let's run down my thoughts on this palette. Again, I mean, the quality is just great, especially for the price point. I think there are, let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 eyeshadows in here, and they are great quality. I used quite a few of them. So I used the green, I used the yellow, I used the blue, the purple, the pink, and this corally color here on my cheeks. Really, really beautiful, really nice. I am surprised that we are able to get such a quality eyeshadow palette at the price point that it is, but I love it. So I will continue to use Juvia's Place because I think the shadows really are phenomenal. With that being said, I did try to use this green sparkly color. It didn't come off that great in the corner. You might be able to see a little bit of it. I layered it on top of this greeny eyeshadow. It's not that great. Unfortunately, I do think it would be better if I did like a glitter base underneath it and it had something to stick to. But overall, guys, I gotta say the consistency and the quality of her products, really love them. I did try out the purples the other day, like I said, and I really love the pigmentation and the sparkles and shimmers of this side. So it might just be this color might not work, but the other shimmers probably do, hopefully. All right. Those are my thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. If you guys liked this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? Also, if you're into this kind of content, please consider smashing that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. I upload videos weekly and I would love to see you guys next week. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.